The Philippine National Police, or PNP, are on the hunt for the suspects of the shooting along Timog Avenue in Quezon City that resulted in the death of a businessman and his driver. Authorities said they have strong leads on the possible whereabouts of the riding in tandem suspects, citing their motives to be business related. Here's the full story.
Past 3 yesterday afternoon when a CCTV camera at the Bardaloza Corner Limbaga Street captured the arrival of this motorcycle. It can also be seen pulling over at the side of the road. Moments later, the white car arrived. In the video, it can be observed that the motorcycle followed the white car. And when they reached the stoplight along Timog Avenue, the car was suddenly sprayed with gunfire. In this cell phone video, the back rider of the motorcycle can be seen getting off. Then he shot the car's occupants at close range. After firing a barrage of bullets at the victims, he hopped back on the bike, which quickly sped away from the crime scene.
Makikita naman natin dun sa copy namin sa review CCTV na inabangan talaga siya. So there is a strong probability that prior to the incident, the victim was surveyed, o kaya nagkandag ng surveillance itong mga suspect.
According to the Quezon City Police District or QCPD, the incident happened past 3 in the afternoon. The victims were rushed to the hospital but were later declared dead after a few hours.
The driver sustained 2 multiple gunshot wounds on the right arm, dalawa po ang tama niya, and dalawa po sa may trunk. And the passenger, the victim, si Perino, sustained multiple gunshot wound. 4 po sa trunk, 1 from the buttock and 1 sa elbows.
One of the angles being looked into is its possible connection to the business dealings of one of the victims. Based on the backtracking conducted by the PNP, the faces of the 2 suspects are discernible enough to identify and trace. Authorities have also recovered the motorcycle used by the riding in tandem at Scout Ralios near Scout Ibardalosa in Quezon City after it was abandoned by the suspects.
A victim who owns a bar, clubs, and billiard establishment. So, meantime, yun po ang assessment natin. It has something to do with the business incident or business-related incident po.
The QCPD has formed a Special Investigation Team or SIT that will focus on the case. They also said they already have a good lead on the possible hideout of the suspects, who are estimated to be between 40 to 50 years of age. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.